Hello friends, welcome back with more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650, concept is subject verb agreement, parallelism and logical meaning. Passage says biologists believe that they have found one of the substances that tell individual genes both when to become active and when to remain quiescent in the earliest phases of embryo's development. Alright, so here the subject is substances. So the verb should be tell. Why? Because whenever there is verb just after that, just after which, just after who, subject will be always previous noun. So here the previous noun is substances, plural, that's why it should be tell. So option C out and option D out. Now option A, B and E is okay. After that it says parallelism. So what is the marker of parallelism? Look here, and. So after and it is when to, and before that it is both. So both and will be your parallel marker. So whatever comes after both, same should come after and. So both when and when, correct parallelism. So option A is okay. Now option B, it says tell individual genes both at which time they should become active or. So you know that after both it should be and, not or. So that is called parallel marker or idiomatic error. So option B out. D says will tell an individual gene both about when it should become active and remain. So after both it is about, and that is why after and it should be any preposition. So that is called parallelism error. After both it is about, and that is why after and it should be again any preposition. Why? Because it is prepositional phrase. So E out, A best option.